My name is Muhammad Fahim Akil bin Shamsuddin, and my metric number 01DM21F1024. So our experiment is to obtain and learn the liquid penetration test method and be able to detect material defects such as scratch and cracks. So what is the liquid penetration test? Liquid penetration testing is a liquid or dye penetration testing. It's a non-destructive material testing method which use capillary force to find surface cracks or pores and make them visible. It can detect surface breaking, flaws such as cracks, lapse, porosity. So the item we use is metal specimen kit, cleaner liquid spray, penetration liquid spray, and developer liquid spray.
Hi, my name is Vijay Murali, and I will be explaining about the procedures of this experiment. Firstly, the surface of the specimen is cleaned using a steel brush and a cleaner liquid. Once the surface is brushed off, the liquid is applied. Then, the defects that occurred on the surface of the specimen is observed. Once the surface is dry, the penetration liquid is sprayed on the surface. Then it is left to dry for around 12 to 10 minutes. The third step was to apply the cleaner liquid again to clean the excess penetration liquid on the surface. After applying, it was left to dry. After that, the developer liquid was sprayed on the surface of the specimen and it was left to dry again. After drying it for a few minutes, the defects were seen on the surface of the specimen as shown in the image.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Aiman bin Zamri. My metric number 01DEM21F1022. Based on this experiment data, for the first specimen, there are two defects, which is crack and hole. For the second specimen, there are two types of defect, which is hole and small crack. Based on data theory for this experiment, there are three types of defect, which are crack, hole, and bump. Crack is a line on the surface, something along which it has split without breaking part. Hole is a hole placed in a solid body or surface. Bump is a protuberance on a level surface.
As a conclusion, from this experiment, we know how to detect the defect of the material such as scratch and crack by using liquid spray. Liquid penetrant testing, also known as a dye penetrant inspection or liquid penetrant inspection, is one of the most common and affordable solution and one of the oldest if compared to non-destructive testing challenges. The method leverages capillary action, the ability of a liquid to flow into narrow spaces without help, even in opposition to external forces such as gravity, to detect surface breaking defects, fatigue cracks, quench cracks, grinding cracks, overload impact, fractures, porosity lamps, seams, pinholes in welds, and lack of fusion or bracing along the edge of the bond line. The excess is removed and the developer is applied. After applying the penetrant and letting it dwell for a certain period. From surface breaking defects, the developer draws the penetrant where it's seeped, revealing their presence. After following all steps, the defects can be seen on the surface of the specimen so that we can know whether the steel has any advantages or disadvantages. It is frequently used in welds, castings, manufactured products, forgings, bars, plates, and pipes. If the specimen has any cracks and scratches, we must take more care and precaution when using the particular specimen. Thank you.